Hi, I'm Griffin. I'm a junior at Gould Academy, and I'm a prefect in Holden Hall, and we're going to show you around today.
Yeah, my name's Judd. I live here as well, so come inside and we'll show you what it's like to be a dorm student.
This is my room. I live in a single. Most kids in Holden have a double, and we'll have a roommate. I got my dresser, desk, there's a closet right around the corner, and I've really tried to make it my own. I'm a big mountain biker, as you can see with all the posters, and put up my music interests, and yeah, just try and make it as homey as I can.
So right here we have our second floor lounge where most of our sophomores hang out. It's a pretty nice place to be. We got foosball tables, Xboxes, fridges, and air fryers, lots of cooking equipment. Downstairs we have our main lounge where we'll gather for dorm meetings as well as just a general hangout space. And you'll always find people here, and it's a pretty nice spot to gather.
Right behind me is a typical double. That means you'll have a roommate. There will be 2 beds, 2 desks, 2 dressers, 2 closets, perfect amount of space for both of you. And I had a roommate my freshman year and I loved it. I had a really good time with him and we got really close. And it's a really good way to come into Gould and you already have a friend, and you already have someone you can hang out with.
So right here we have our community kitchen, and my mom always told me that one thing anyone can bond over is food. So we always come out here, we'll cook different things. Maybe it's frozen pizza or maybe it's boiling lobsters from the IGA right down the street. Regardless, it's a pretty sweet spot for the community to gather. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of our very beloved Holden Hall, and I hope to see you around.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.